Hey guys, so I am actually moving today.
LOL. So this was actually filmed in April of 2022. It's now January.
So it's like currently 9:15 and I'm gonna go to the apartment place at 10 to sign the lease and check out my place and start cleaning it. And so until then, I'm going to drink me a protein smoothie and I'll get back to y'all after I get them keys in my hands.
All this stuff I have, and then it's like also my car is like full of stuff as well. But yeah, this was filmed about a year ago, a little less than a year ago, but a lot has happened. I've learned a lot. It's like so different, like living on your own. And I have my dog too. You'll see him soon. But this is before I had my dog, and it was like a big adjustment, like switching from like living with your parents and like, you know, they tell you do everything and like hold you accountable to most things, to having like complete and like utter like freedom. Like every choice you make is your own, and every choice you make you have to face the consequences of. So it was like a huge adjustment, and moving in, like I was scared, but it was like so exciting. And it's been like a year now and I'm comfortable, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. Like it's the best experience, like living on your own and having like this freedom, and it's all to yourself. Like you dictate every choice that you make, and it's a gift. I thank God every day for it.
So right now I'm just unloading all my dishes that I need to wash.
Until we still have a lot of stuff to do, and this is all our trash. But look at my countertops. The blue, so cute. Bit that I got from Wayfair. We're trying to put together this table, but it didn't come with the screw holes. So I'm gonna wait for my dad to get a big drill and do that. And then I just put some stuff to hold down the edge of the carpet because it kept on rolling up. But I think it's good now. It is. I'm just showing. This is after the first day. We added a whole bunch of stuff in here. Showed them the under counter. I didn't show them under counter lights that we noticed. This is a trash box for now. So cute. And then we got the chair, but the chair is like super tiny. We're using this to hold down the carpet, but the chair's like super tiny, so I might get a new one. But if not, I think it's still like super cute. And I just put that picture over there. I might add a picture over there, might not. I don't know yet. And then this is my TV stand. I might add some stuff to make it a little more full, but if not, I'm just gonna keep it plain for now. And that's my little alarm thing. And then I did this little bookshelf thing for the living room, and then every day is happy hour little thing. And then my bedroom, we're not starting that until tomorrow because I don't have my bed yet, but I just have a few things. My closet's completely done. I just have two big winter clothes buckets to put over here. My dress fell, but we have two big buckets to put right there. Everything else just storing over here. And then my bathroom drawers are actually done. We have a few junk up here that we're going to go through, but my bathroom drawers, like I put my appliances and stuff. It's not completely full because I have stuff on my vanity, but other than that, the bathroom's full. And we do have the shower curtain, so cute. And yeah, everything's full. And I got my supplies, my cleaning supplies in here. And other than that, we're going to finish up tomorrow. A lot of changes like in my apartment has like occurred. You'll see at the end is that I brought things and then it didn't feel like as homey, so I ended up changing and adding things. Like the couch was too little, it didn't really feel like me. A lot of other things I had to add in to like make it feel like my home, and it took like a few months before it actually like started feeling like home to me. It's just that it needed like things that feel like more me. So yeah, some of the things like people were telling me like not to get and stuff, but I had to make my own decisions and decide like what things feel like me, what things feel like home. I feel like that's all what like your 20s is about, is like finding and discovering like who you are despite like other people's opinions and everything. Because like when you're growing up, it's like you go with your parents' opinions of everything, which that's what life is for. Your parents are meant to guide you, but at a certain point you have to like branch out and find what you are, like, you know, who you are and that kind of stuff. So it's been a self-love journey, self-discovery journey. I'm still on that journey day to day.
So I made it through my first night alone. I was scared though, but now I made me Asiago bagel with garlic herb cream cheese, and then I brewed some coffee that I have like in this little cup. It's still brewing. It's like a cold brew kind of coffee, like brew cool, yeah. And then I got this agave that I'm gonna put in it, and it's really quiet right now. It's still echoey in here, so I put on TV.
And then occurred the day where my sister found my best friend on Craigslist. Love him so much. Not that one, but I love him so much, and he means so much to me. Having a dog, it's been crazy. A lot of responsibility having one. Like, you'll be surprised how much of a responsibility it is, because it's like its whole life is like up to you, you know. And there's times where I feel like I was failing as a dog mom. There's times when everything worked out and was amazing. It took a lot of time, and it took us like getting to know each other and each other's styles and everything. But I wouldn't trade him for the world. He's my joy. He's my love. There will be a neutering video that I'll probably put up, because that day I was freaking out, because I was like, you know, look how crazy he was. As a baby, he was so crazy. And there's nothing like having a puppy that's your own. It's hard work. And I know that's not like being a mother, but it prepared me like 2% more. Like, you know, 1/4 more, I'll say. How about that? But yeah, he's super crazy. I love him. He's my little fluff ball. And he's adorable, but he's crazy. But that's what makes us like a good pair. And I probably couldn't have done like the journey like living by myself without him, because it's like he's such a personality. Like, look at him. He's such a personality that's like you can't feel alone when he's around. Like, he won't allow you to. That's him when he got bigger. Oh my gosh, his little teenage face. But yeah, if you're debating, should I move out? Should I stay with my parents even though I'm 20? I guess it all depends on your mindset, and it depends like where you're at. Because me, I got to the point where the Lord himself was like, Kayla, it's time. Like, you need to grow. You need to go. Because you can only grow like so much in the place that you've been raised at. Like, you know, it's like when people have to break out of their hometown in order to grow. It's the same thing, like living with your parents. Like, it's great, you know, but you can't grow like as much as you can when you're on your own and you're making your own decisions. There's things that you can only learn by like being on your own. And I guess it doesn't make sense until you're there, but like once you get there, you'll understand, and you'll be like, you know what, I couldn't have learned that while living with my parents. And it's fun. It's an adventure. It's all up to you how you decide your life to be, and it's exciting because every day is like a new choice. Now, I'm not going to paint things to all like be good, because it's not always good all the time. Like, you do fail sometimes or make decisions that weren't right, but it's all about like learning from them and growing. Like, hey, I need to budget better, or hey, I probably should have made this choice, which, to be honest, I made more than enough of those kind of choices. But it's all about your mindset about everything. And I just like realized that my 20s are for making mistakes and learning from them. I'm not going to beat myself up for the mistakes I made, but I'm not going to actively seek mistakes, because that's not what life's about either. And it helps me with my connection with God and everything too, because I rely on him to convict me and to motivate me towards my goals and everything, which my goal is YouTube, which I got distracted from it. But we're back now. I hope we're back now. But yeah, we're trying out things, we're learning, we're growing.
Hi guys, I'm back. It's been like a year, hasn't it? Like, well, it feels like a year. I don't know, it might have been less time, but I moved here and then life happened and I've been busy and just living life and everything and learning lessons and growing. But I'm back now. I'm not gonna make any promises on the uploading schedule, but I will be uploading. Like, that's the plan, to be more consistent and to upload more often. But I'm gonna give y'all a tour because y'all haven't seen my updated like apartment tour. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that's going on here. Okay, tour time. We have this lovely kitchen. Oh, and we have elbow running. We have this lovely kitchen with the island. Normally where I would like, you know, journal, do schoolwork, whatever, because I started back classes. I have these lights over here. Most of the time they aren't on, but I wanted y'all to see the full effect of it. Hold on, let me turn on this light. I have these lights, so when I take pictures for like my Instagram, which follow me on Instagram, is Kayla.1387. I post a lot on my Instagram, like on the reels and stuff. And not the reels, the story. And then I have this painting. I actually got at Burlington. It was only 20 some bucks, believe it or not. I have this Jesus painting, baby Jesus. And then I have my pink couch. We have little pee-pee pads over here just for my son. He's learning. I have this plant my coworker got me. I have these curtains I got from Target. Very cute. I'm leaving this one shut because that's falling and I have to buy a new little thing for it. We have this bookshelf. I got both of them from Target and just put them together. They were very cute. All of my books and these fake tulips from Amazon. People get fooled and think they're real when they look at them far away. Baby me, baby family. Yeah, and then we have TV stand, TV got from my parents, my little camera to watch what's going on. Elliot stretching. This is my little man. I'm probably gonna spam y'all with videos of him, like in the YouTube in the YouTube thing, like the little shorts. I'm probably gonna post a lot of his like little baby stuff, so that's up there because I didn't post you as a baby. We have his little gate over here. That's his cone. I need to throw it away. There's a neutering video that's going to go up soon. And then his like food and everything, blankets, pillows, a little gate to keep him from running out. My little hanging things. I don't know. The gate, he always like pushes it open and he'll like go and lay. But when I leave, it does the job. We have a bathroom. This is my laundry room. It has, you know, my washer and dryer and everything in storage. Bathroom, cute bathtub and everything. All of my plenty of stuff. Yeah. Toilet, storage, everything. Homeboy's laying. Come on. Come on, stinky baby, stinky baby. We have the bedroom over here. This is a couch that was in my living room. You'll see in my moving in video. Well, you saw it because it's in this video. LOL. My New Year's resolution. Y'all don't need to see that. We have this painting. I think I got it at TJ Maxx or Ross. No, Burlington. I got it at Burlington. And then my tapestry, my hanging lights, my vanity, my other little stand over there. Tapestries from Amazon. It was only $15. And I love it because it matches like the wooden kind of theme and everything. Yeah, so this is my bedroom. It's actually surprisingly pretty big. And so yeah, that's like the whole place. I have a walk-in closet, but y'all will not see that because I'm going through my clothes right now, so it's kind of a mess in there. But I have a little walk-in closet with a little chair in it and everything. It has that fluffy chair that y'all saw in my moving in video. It has that in it. And then the other chair is like over on the other side of the couch. So if I have like a lot of people over, there's more space for people to sit and everything. And so yeah, this is my apartment. Been living the life here. Oh wait, I didn't show you all my countertops. We have a little coffee bar. Wait, let me turn this on. We have a little coffee bar over here. My coffee, my tea, more coffee, teas, cups, straws, stevia. In love with stevia. And then I got that little coffee bar sign from Target for $5. It was really cute. And then air fryer, shout out to the parents. Charcuterie board, and then a little wine thing. I don't drink wine. That's really nasty, that one. What I do drink wine is not that one, so. And then we have my little camera, all of my equilibrium stuff. We have a kettle for when I make tea. I always just keep that up there because I drink tea like twice a day. I'm starting this thing where like I drink tea in the morning, I drink tea at night. I be taking my ashwagandha gummies and I be drinking my ashwagandha, and then I started like positive affirmations and everything, and like more like meditation. It's not like evil meditation, it's like meditation, like Lord and everything, and clearing your mind and everything. So that's why I've been drinking more tea. Kind of random, but I've been more in my healing era, if that makes sense. Like, yeah. I might do like a morning routine and like show y'all like all the things I've been doing lately, but yeah. That's my little coffee maker. I don't really like that, but it matches my toaster, so yeah. And then that's my stuff for making guac. I'm about to make guac later. And yeah, that's everything. And my son, he ate my ring light. So hopefully the lighting in this is good. But subscribe, like, follow me on Insta, and bye. Bye.